Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this application. You can upload your own picture and you can upload any picture. You can earn your free cryptocurrency from that website, and let's get started. This is the application. This application link available in description. If you click and join with my referral link, you can earn this much coin to your balance instantly. Okay, first of all, you upload a picture in here. It doesn't mean you upload your own picture, and you can upload any picture you want. After making an account making is very easy. Just click upload a picture. Just go to your pictures and click the picture of you want to upload. Like this, I want to upload this picture. Okay, and wait few seconds to upload is complete. You can type any description you want, you can type it, and if you don't want to type any description, just click uploading. You can upload your picture, and this will be start liking. Every people come here like your picture and sometimes show you some advertisement. Okay, if you watch this advertisement, this much coin this website pay you. Okay, just watch for 5 seconds, not more. Okay, after watching for 5 seconds, just close it, the advertisement, and you can easily make your amount, and you can easily get your amount. Okay, you can see in here show me, and I just close the ad, and I come here. The next way earning is the like other people pictures. Okay, you can see I available like in here 26 daily. You can like 40, maybe more than 40, but just click on liking, and you can see I earned this much coin, and this much coin is two type coin. This will be pay me for me because I every day come here like other people pictures, and show you some advertisement. Just watch advertisement for maybe least seconds. Okay, and then you can easily close this advertisement for it's not uh, too annoying advertisement this website has. Okay, and that's it. The next way is following other people. Okay, follow other people. Just go in your own followers. Okay, for first time you come here, join a you can make an account. It's not necessary to you can follow other people, but you follow your own followers. This will be increase your like and increase your own followers too. A lot of people follow you after you following them. Okay, and I show you how you can withdraw from here, because I have the reaching the amount of the withdrawal right now. So I share with you the withdrawal proof in Coinbase, but I didn't have any Coinbase for right now because I am in Iran. In Iran is Coinbase is not allowed, but I share with you how you can withdraw. Okay, and daily you have 20 time, every 1 hour pay you 2 followers and 2 like. You can spend your like and followers. And the next way is you can go to withdraw and just click max and just click convert to your USDT. You can see the minimum withdraw is 0.90 cent, and you can withdraw this all. It is this a payer. If you have a payer account, you can withdraw. And the first one is a Coinbase. Just put your Coinbase wallet address, email address in here, and you can put your amount of amount of withdrawal in here, and just click withdraw. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is 90 cent, but I didn't have any Coinbase. I have in here, but I can't open my Coinbase in Iran. Because of that, I just wait for the uh, Litecoin. This is the Litecoin. After I reaching 2.20 Litecoin, then I will be share with you the withdrawal proof. Okay, and the next way is a comment, a chat. Okay, this is the chat. You can chat with other people like this one. And this is my friend. 2 time I send him a gift card. You can send your friends gift card, just clicking send a gift card, and they receive their gift cards, and the gift card pay you your own amount too. This gift card pay you 2 time, first for that person, the next one for you. Okay, watch some advertisement and you can easily earn your gift card. And you can just search my name, my username, just following me, and send me a message to uh, my account, and then I will be share with you the gift card if you love to have a gift card. Okay, you can see I send this one this much amount, and I earn this much amount too. And that's it. It's very easy to go. You can send, and it's very easy to you can reach in that amount. Okay, and the best part of this website is you can just upload your own picture, and you can upload any picture you want. It's not necessary to a lot of people have their own picture, but I didn't upload my own picture all the time. This girl upload pictures, and this is another uploading picture of the girl. You can upload any picture you want, just you can receive the like. And you can see I uploaded this picture, I received this much like in here. And you can see how much I earned from that picture, and this much coin, and this much coin I earned from this two picture in the 24 hours I uploading. Okay, and thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This application link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself. And if you want to search me, just type my name and my name fully, and you can follow me. Send me a message, I send you a gift card for you all to send me a message. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.